Hey, beautiful souls. It's me again, Daphne, and I just wanted to put together a quick video for you right before I leave this gorgeous place. Look at this beautiful beach. It was just cloudy about 5 seconds ago, and it's clearing up right as we speak. Look at that. And look down the other side. There's just something so gorgeous about where the ocean meets the land, isn't it? And look at this. This is a beautiful mural that somebody painted. There's a lot of art here in Laguna Beach. Well, I wanted to just make a little quick video, one of the last ones, and a farewell from Laguna. And there are often a lot of helicopters, actually not a lot, but sometimes from the military come from down that direction. Anyway, I am leaving I'm not telling you where I'm going just yet, but I'm leaving soon out of the country on my worldwide mission adventure. And I wanted to share with you my feelings about all of this. It's a little early, my eyes watering. I wanted to share with you my feelings about all this because it is amazing, and sometimes when you hear of somebody doing something that has always been their dream, you just think there's only good feelings. But you know what? There is some fear also. And I think I have actually postponed for a while because of that fear. And the fear is that I'm going by myself around the world. And I've done it before, yes. I've gone to 35 different countries approximately by myself before COVID hit, and now I'm going to more, and the ones that I'm going to are not going to be just touristy type of things. They're going to be really places in the world where I get to really experience what it's like to live there, maybe see some wonders in history, and not the run-of-the-mill type of touristy thing some people think of when they think of travel. So as a solo female traveler, yes, there's a little bit of, oh my goodness, I have to handle all this myself. I have to make all the reservations. I do not enjoy making reservations, flights, figuring out how to get from one place to the other in a safe way. That's not my favorite thing to do. My favorite thing to do is just go. But to go, it takes a lot of planning, and it also took organizing my life so that it will actually work. But you know what I'm gonna do is I have planned where I'm gonna get to first. And from that location, I will take it one step at a time. I don't have to figure out the whole 6, 9, 12 months at once. No. Step by step by step. I have figured out how I'm getting there. When I get there, I will feel into my heart and decide where I'm going next. I will also look at world news and make sure that each next place is safe, which is one of the reasons I'm not planning this all in advance, because things change from day to day, week to week, month to month nowadays. So, wish me luck, and I'll bring you along with me. And please write in the comments where you want to see me go next, any advice that you have. I'd love to hear from you. This is my way of keeping you with me throughout this journey. Have an amazing day wherever you are, whatever you're doing.